Hello, library friends. I'm Amber, a librarian at the Rockford Public Library. June is Pride Month, and we'd like to celebrate by showing you how to access our materials that celebrate LGBTQ plus themes, individuals, and experiences. Today, I'd like to show you how to search for these materials on Rockford Public Library's online catalog and how to place holds on items. We're going to start by visiting the Rockford Public Library website. And at the top here, there's a quick search box that you will find that will allow you to search for items quickly. Or if you want to do a more thorough search, you can just click catalog and it'll take you to the catalog as well. But let's just go ahead and search LGBT real quick. And you're going to see quite a few items were found on here. But as with the LGBTQ community being very large, having all these different kinds of wonderful facets to it, we are going to be able to find better and appropriate items if you narrow your search to these individual facets. So, for example, if you just search lesbian or gay or bisexual or transgender, you're going to get more narrowed results for that. So let's go ahead and do an example. Right now, we'll start with the first letter in that acronym. So we're going to go search lesbian, and we definitely have a lot more results found after searching that. One of my favorite browsing tips is to sort your results list. I like seeing the most currently published or released items first. So we're going to hit publication date descending, and then you will get the results for like the new fresh hot stuff first. So as you can see, we have quite a few items for different age levels, from adult fiction to biographies, teen fiction, manga, resource and advice guides, and children's books, all relating to our search term. If you know that you're looking for a specific age-appropriate item, though, I suggest using this audience filter over here on the left-hand side. So for example, I'm interested in books to read to my nieces and nephews. So let's explore the children's offerings. I've got quite a few results here. Got some pretty fun-looking children's books about two moms, or historical ones about Stonewall riots, or first book about pride. So you can go on to explore all those fun options. Let's click on an item first, though, and see the information. So we've got a quick description, got some search terms that you can use to further explore this topic. We're going to see which locations have this book. So both Main and East have a copy, but technically, if we scoot on over to the status area, it shows you that the Main branch has it in their picture books right now, but the East branch item is on hold for someone. So that one's not currently available. Sometimes it'll say that it's currently checked out, so you know that it's also not available. This is really important to notice because if something's not available, you're going to want to place a hold on it so that you can get your hands on it eventually. So we're going to place hold, and it's going to ask for two different kinds of info: your library card number, which is that really long number on the back of your card, and your PIN, which is something that you set up when you registered for your card. If you don't remember any of these, just give us a call and we'll get that information to you. So let's go ahead and log in. And my PIN, hit login, and then it's going to ask where you would like to pick up this hold. The Main branch is fine for me. So, and then it says our item was a successful hold place, which is awesome. So this looks like a great book, but currently we are still closed. But you can schedule a curbside pickup when you get notification that this hold is available. But once we open, you are going to be able to walk into a location and privately grab your holds from the hold shelf and then privately check out the items at our checkout kiosks if privacy is a concern to you. Thanks for listening to this tutorial on how to search for Pride items on our library catalog, and happy Pride, Rockford!